In today's video, I'm sharing with you this simple plantain chips recipe. Very easy, and it's actually one of Ghanaians' favorite street food snacks. So without wasting much time, let's begin. If you're new here, you are warmly welcome. So to start off, I'm using unripe plantains, okay, which is nicely washed. I'm going to go ahead to wipe off any excess water. Then we'll go ahead to peel the plantains. Sometimes it's very difficult to peel the skin off. So what you want to do is to just use your knife to remove the skin off, okay? I would like to take this opportunity to say a very big thank you to my returning and new subscribers. I just want to say thank you so much for your love and support. God richly bless you. And if you are new here and you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Kindly hit the bell notification, like and subscribe to join this amazing family. And trust me, you're going to love it here. So what I'll be doing next is to make sure to slice the plantains as thinner as I can, okay? The thinner, the better, okay? And of course, you can use your grater, whatever slice you have, okay? In a small bowl, we'll mix together salt and water, then set it aside. So some of the sellers add the salt after they fry the plantain chips, okay? But I prefer to sprinkle it in the oil while frying. With the second method, we'll go ahead to use my vegetable peeler to slice out the plantain thinly so that it can fry well and also become crispy. So others use knife, but you have to be extra careful to get thinly sliced, okay? So we'll go ahead to transfer it into a tray. Now you can season it right away. Some add pepper, salt, whatever you want to add to this plantain chips, okay? Shiane will waste no could cry biene. Allo me no care. So the ones that couldn't slice, I'm just going to go ahead to cut them into smaller pieces and then fry them as well. Meanwhile, we'll go ahead to preheat some oil, making sure the oil is hot enough before frying our chips. But before that, we'll add one to check to see. If not, we'll wait till the oil heat up. We'll then add in the plantains one by one to avoid crumbling. So I'm going to fry this until they are nicely fried and crunchy. They should take me about 5 to 7 minutes. And also making sure you separate it if it starts to stick together, okay? Next, we'll sprinkle our salt solution into the oil, which will make it very delicious. This is very good for snacks. You can just fry this and save it in your pantry. And anytime you have guests, you can serve it. Even your family for a movie night, okay? Now that our chips are ready, we'll go ahead to remove everything and transfer it into a paper-lined tray to absorb any excess oil. Then repeat the same process until I finish frying everything. You can see the excitement in my house. They are ready for these chips. So once that is also ready, we'll go ahead to also transfer it into a paper lined tray to remove any excess oil. Next, we'll go ahead to fry our next shape. Repeat the same process. Once that is also done, we'll remove it from the oil and transfer it into our paper lined tray to remove any excess oil. And that's about it, guys. Our plantain chips is ready. So head to your kitchen and make this delicious snack for your family, or start a business with it, okay? Because 2024 name was share cry. Thank you all so much for watching, and until I come your way with another amazing recipe, please stay blessed and happy. Bye, guys.